Hey, hello. Welcome to my special announcement video. So guys, I'm going to start a new batch of a Vedic astrology course where I'm going to teach you about the Parashara guys. So if you are interested, please do contact to my given below WhatsApp number or else you can even mail me also. Okay. So this was my special announcement video. So if you are interested, please do contact to my given below WhatsApp number and it will be very helpful for your future also guys. Trust me, this is a very beautiful subject. Okay, please do take it. I will teach you in a very easy way so that you can understand. It's not a very tough subject guys. Okay, so yeah, please do register now.